Yesterday, in day 1, you had the tour of entire Microsoft Foundry portal. You saw the model catalog, you saw build, operate and guardrails, and at the end of the day 1, I give you one piece of homework. Go into the model catalog and find 3 models that interest you. Now here is the question. When you open that catalog and saw the models, did you know how to choose them? Or did you just scroll and scroll and scroll and close the tab? And that's exactly why we are here today. Welcome back to the Purpleskill Microsoft Foundry Masterclass 2026. I'm Krunal and today we will have a deep dive into Microsoft Foundry model catalog. So let's start the session. Today by the end of this video, you will know exactly how to choose the right AI model. You will also deploy your first one inside your Purpleskill AI Lab projects. So let's go. Before we open the portal, let me give you a real world context. Because understanding a catalog of hundreds of models means nothing without a problem to solve. Here is today's scenario. Imagine you have just joined a health tech startup. The company builds software that helps clinics to track patient symptoms, to generate primary health reports, and to assist doctors with documentation. Your manager walks in on day 1 and says, "Hey, we need an AI assistant for our doctors. It has to answer medical questions, it has to summarize patient notes, and it has to be accurate. Pick a model and deploy it by end of this week, and Microsoft Foundry is where you are going to do it." Before we jump in, let us take a look on what we are going to cover today. So here in day 2, we are going to cover a number of things. The first one is how to navigate the model catalog properly. Number 2, the key model families you need to know. Openai, Anthropic, Microsoft, Meta, Mistral, Deepseek. Number 3, a decision framework. 5 questions that help you pick the right model every single time. Number 4, the compare models and leaderboard features. And number 5, live deployment. We are also going to test it and observe the live output. So now let's open the portal.